Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can make your videos looks vibrant in CapCut. So first add your clip and then go to adjust and use this adjustment. So set the contrast into 15, then saturation 5, set the exposure into -10, and then set the sharpen into 40. Click on the HSL, and for the red color set the saturation into 15 and then the luminance -20. And then for the orange color set the saturations into 20 and the luminance 15. Okay, and then click on the yellow color and set the saturation into 20, and the green color do the same like the yellow color, and then the light blue color set the hue into 20 and the saturation also 20. Click on the blue color and set the saturation into 15. Okay, and then the purple one saturation also 15. And for the last color do the same like the purple color. Okay, after that go back, click on the highlight and lower it into -15 and the shadow at 15. Click on a 10 and then add it 10. And now you are done. So here is the adjustment for the vibrant looks for your video. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. I'll see you all in the following videos. Thank you.